Hey guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube intro. So let's go to Canva first to make a YouTube intro. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you'll find here this profile icon, free version. Now you'll find here a search box. Click on this and write YouTube intro. Press enter. Then you'll find many YouTube intro templates. Just choose one which is go with your specific channel. Okay, but you cannot choose these pro versions in free. If you want to use this pro version, then you have to go pro with your card, I mean the payment. So if you want to use the free one, you can choose this ones. Let's say if you have a news channel, you can choose this one. Now you have to just click on this customize this template. Then breaking news, you can change the breaking news name, like here should be the name of breaking news. You can edit every portion you want. Okay, if you want to change the background color, go here. You can change the background color also, but it doesn't make any sense, so this is good. Now if you want to add, here's your video intro is ready. You can see here by playing it. Or if you want to add any music here, what you're going to do is go here, audio track. If you don't find the audio track in this bar, all you have to go here, apps, then you'll find here audio. Click on audio. Then you can choose any audio from here, but not the pro version, without pro version. Let's check this out. Click on this and audio will be added here. See. Oh, sorry, hold on. I know this is hilarious, but I'm showing you the basic tutorial. Now clicking here, this one. Okay, you can see that audio is added with the video. Now if you want to download it, go share and you can download it from here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.